How to play Feliz Navidad. This is one of the easiest songs you can play on guitar, and it's only 3 simple chords. The only 3 chords you need are C, D, and G. Then for the strumming pattern, you're gonna play down, up, up, down, up, and you're gonna do that once per chord. Put everything together and it should sound like this.